Kailangan punasan ng maayos ang baby at naligo. Dahil saya-saya ng buntot niya kasi happy na naligo. Dahil, come here. Sit properly. We need to remove the dirty in the ears. Come. See. Behave. You like it, right? Okay, the other one. Try. It's dirty. Properly. See? You like it. Ah, it's dirty. Okay, one more. Not yet done. Come. Okay, here. Play down here. Here. The other one. Come. Play down properly. Clean, 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 clean. I see the baby. Okay, wow. It's dirty. See? Give them up. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean the ears. Yeah. Clean, 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 clean the ears. Okay. It's a little bit dirty. Because it's Sunday, Saturday, there's a photo shoot. You're going to buy your clothes. Okay, it's done.